Hey food fans, welcome back to another episode of Then We Eat. This week we'll be making a teriyaki burger. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to prep our ingredients. Okay, so here's our ingredients all laid out. And now we're ready to get things started. So, first thing I did was I made 4 burger patties, 1 pound of beef. We actually ended up buying a whole bunch of lean ground beef on sale. So what we've done is we always keep some extra fat in the freezer anyway. So we've just added about 20% more fat to it. We just prefer the taste, the flavor, the juiciness. So that's what we've gone with. So we've also cut up a pineapple into rings. And now let's marinate the burgers. So in the burgers, there's just salt, pepper, and some green onions that we yanked out of the garden this morning. So we're going to add the zest of 1 lime and the juice of 1 lime, along with 1/3 cup of teriyaki. And then I have some homemade fermented sriracha that we made in the fall, so we're going to use about 1 tablespoon of that. If you don't like it hot, then cut back a little bit. If you like it spicier, add a little more. So we're going to go with about 1 tablespoon. All right, so we'll just give this a bit of a mix. And then we're just going to pour it over our burgers. Okay, so we've got our burgers in the marinade. We're going to put it in the fridge for about 20 minutes to half an hour. I would say in about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to flip them. There's not quite enough to cover the burgers, so we'll just do it that way. It's just as easy. So let's get them in the fridge. We'll be back in 20. Okay, so we're back. Burgers cooked. Pineapple's been barbecued as well. We had the burgers on for between 4 and 5 minutes a side, and the pineapple we did for about 2 minutes a side. We've kept our prep really easy here. All we're going to do is we're going to put a little lettuce on the bottom, the burger, the pineapple, and that's it. We'll let the burger speak for itself in this case. So let's give her a little cut and taste. Okay, so the burgers are nice and juicy, cooked perfectly. Pineapple, still nice and juicy. So let's give it a taste, see how it is. Some really nice flavors. Not too spicy. Actually, I think I would have added a little more sriracha. Or perhaps even marinated them for maybe an extra 10 or 15 minutes. But lots of flavor going on there. Nice and juicy. What else can you want in a burger? So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like it if you did, and share it with all your buddies. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified when we upload new videos. We upload new videos pretty much every week. And don't forget, we also keep the description of the recipe down below so that you can get a full list of the ingredients. You don't have to keep track of it during the video. So, thanks for watching, and don't forget, first we cook, then we eat.